Here we go. Oh, that came up easy. Good morning, babies. Good morning. That's everyone. Now, I did not leave the food out. I put it in this wagon. Here, I was calling this a wheelbarrow. It's a wagon. And I plugged it up. And that actually worked. Nothing actually got into it. So it's not in the coop. It's out here so I can put them out before I let the birds out. As long as this is working, this situation is working, I want to keep doing it. Oh, also it got hot. No, excuse me. It got hot yesterday and it's supposed to get like really hot this week. So here's the air conditioner I have for them. These are red clay bricks, and this is water in here. Cool water, and the bricks suck up the water, and they get cold. And oh my goodness, they were so scared of it yesterday, and now they're like on it. This one's on it, which I love. And yeah, they can decide to drink it, which is fine. What is going on over there? I think Mr. Roo has reached his teenage stage. Yeah. You gotta date him first, buddy. Anyways, this gives them an extra source of water. And these are actually cool, so when they get hot, they can stand on them. And yeah, I put some treats. Hi. I got a little visitor. I put some treats on there to help them, like, want to come over. I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy she's on it, so when they get hot, they'll hopefully use it and help with the heat. Because yesterday, my two Britchens were panning just a little bit. So that's why I got this. Alright, well, have a good day. Good morning, everyone.